The product quality is the cornerstone to market, is the key to win customers' trust. Every success comes from cooperation. Every cooperation comes from trust. Rely on professional technology. Trust in perfect products. Trust good reputation. Good reputation comes from good products. Good products come from good character. The source of fine products, Liang Yuan Manufacturing. Liang Yuan Machinery. Shandong Liang Yuan Machinery Company Limited is located in Jucheng, the beautiful blue economic zone of Shandong Peninsula. Here, the greatness of man lends glory to a place, and it is the hometown of Emperor Shun. Here, mountains and rivers shape victory, and it is known as the land of dinosaurs in China. The company is located in Longdu Industrial Park, is specialized in providing customers with complete sets of food technology and food processing equipment overall solution supplier, is a collection of scientific research and development, production and manufacturing, finished product inspection, sales, after-sales service in one of the large-scale professional food machinery and equipment manufacturers. The company's main products are complete production line for frying, fish tofu, 1,000 pages tofu complete processing line. Complete processing line of meatballs. Oil filter series products, vacuum fried series products, and other kinds of food engineering equipment. Many products have obtained patents of new utility and appearance design. The company strictly implements ISO 9001-2008 quality management system. has obtained the European Union CE certification, is the Safety Production Standardization Enterprise. Liang Yuan Machinery always adheres to the attitude of honesty, quality innovation, and enterprising strider, explores new fields, and successfully cooperates with domestic large food processing enterprises. Hope Group Food Company Limited, New Hope Group Liu He Food Company Limited, Jinluo Food Company Limited, Anjing Group Food Company Limited, Sanchuan Food Company Limited, Jucheng Foreign Trade Group Food Company Limited, Delis Group Food Company Limited, Weifa Food Company Limited, Jiasherbo Food Company Limited, and Yika Food Company Limited. Products are all over the country and exported to India, Russia, Iran, France, Japan, South Korea, Australia, and other countries, getting domestic and foreign customers highly praise and recognition.
It's a big and very clean environment. People are also very nice. Not only the machine, people are also very nice, friendly.
He has become the benchmark of China's food machinery manufacturing enterprises. Liang Yuan Machinery brings together many skilled professionals, uses the scientific management concept, constantly improves the product performance, scientific and technological innovation. We adopt advanced inspection and testing instruments, digital precision processing center, strict quality control to ensure the reliability of each product, to provide customers with high quality and efficient products. Liang Yuan Machinery, let the professional sales and efficient service technical team always provide you with reliable after-sales service guarantee. Liang Yuan people will always pursue perfect quality. Do not forget the original intention. Forge ahead. Keep improving. Ingenuity casting. Liang Yuan has become an excellent leader in food machinery intelligent manufacturing.
创造良缘品牌，树立良缘形象，让良缘面向全国，走向世界。
Witness the strength of international brands. Liang Yuan Machinery will go hand in hand with you. Let China Machinery wisdom ring reputation around the world. Welcome to Shandong, Liang Yuan Machinery Company Limited.